You guys, you can finally buy Goyard online now from Goyard. But of course there's a caveat. Where my Goyard Gang at? We got another Goyard update. It's a crazy one. They have never had e-commerce and now they have e-commerce. And you never used to be able to find their prices online ever. Now you can find their prices online too. You can now buy Goyard bags online. Buying Goyard online. Huge Goyard update. Don't have to go to the store, don't have to wait, don't have to do anything. You can literally just buy them online. Let's talk about it. Goyard Guru here for you. I can't believe it. Oh my God. This has been so long in the making and it's finally happening. It's finally happened. Let's talk about it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and a Goyard Guru, a Goyard Geek, a Goyard Guy, a Goyard Gay, a Goyard Girl, a Goyard Gang, a Goyard Group. Where am I Goyard Gang at? It's been a while since we've done this, so let's talk about it. Today we're talking about how Goyard is available now online for purchase. You can buy it and have it shipped to you. You do not have to go to the store. You don't have to do anything like that. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Little backstory, a little history if you're new here. Goyard's always been a very exclusive brand, very like no press, no talking about it, no publicity, no trying to push their bags out. And you could only buy it in the store. You have to go to a store and buy it directly from the store, wait in line, everything like that. Only one of their 6 stores in the US or whatever, 30 stores around the world. Or you could buy it from, it used to be from Neiman's, and you can also buy it from Bergdorf's, and that you can have bought from the store and shipped to you, or buy it through an SA and have it shipped to you. Goyard used to be able to buy it from a store and have it shipped to you through like their distance sales. So there were like ways to do it, but it was never officially like you just go to the website, click on it and buy it, right? Like super simple. You'd have to go through someone, you'd have to go through a sales associate, you still have to have a connection or a contact or make a contact at the store. So you'd have to go to the store at least once or call or whatever, email, blah, 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 to get there. They quietly launched this because everything about Goyard is quiet. They quiet luxury, quiet, like they don't like I said, they don't like to talk about it. Quietly launched on their website the ability to now buy a bag and ship it to you, okay? There's one caveat. But of course, there's a caveat. First you have to make an online account. You have to have a Goyard account. So you have to make an account with them. On the account, when you log in, you can order bags. There's only certain bags, not every bag. St. Louis, card holder, like they're classic things. Plumet, like wallets, things like that. And they're listed all there. But the caveat is you have to personalize it or monogram it. You have to monogram and personalize it, basically. I think they're doing this to prevent the resale market, which is huge for Goyard. People buy them secondhand. There's a ton on the resale market, which they don't want. They want it to be exclusive and limited and just, have the relationship with the client and have the client buy it themselves. And the price is like, it sells for so much higher because you can't just walk into the store, because you can't just buy it. Like I said, they've never had e-commerce, right? They want you to buy it from them directly, and the resale market inflates it, double the price, 2x, 3x sometimes of the retail price, because you don't even know the prices. But now you can know the prices and buy it online. Now you can see the prices online too, which is crazy. And like for a long time, they never told you the prices. You have to go in the store to get the price as well. But now you can see the prices online. And so with the monogram personalization, I think is to A, combat reselling, and B, kind of make it like, because it's gonna be really hard to resell something with your initials on it, and B, kind of track it maybe a little bit more, like to know who is doing this, but also just to make it yours. And also, I guess, to prevent returns too, because I don't think you can return a personalized thing. But on the website, there's a way to do it. You click on it, and there's like 3 different tiers of personalization. There's just letters in one color, which is like what it would be in the store, an additional $150, $175. Then there's letters with 2 colors, with like a color and a background color is a different color, which would be another, I think, $150. Or maybe the one color is like $150 and the 2 colors is $175, because 2 colors has always been the standard $170 or $175. And then you can do stripes, which is another $150 or $175 probably. If you do any metallic colors, it doubles, so like $350 roughly. If you look on the website, you'll see the 3 different, like if you see a St. Louis, there's 3 different versions. So you can see the price difference in them, and that's how much more each incremental thing is. And they have on the St. Louis, which they also remodeled, which I'll do in a separate video, but basically they took it away and brought it back now, a little updated. So the St. Louis, you can see they have the PM, the GM, and you can go through and do it yourself, like design it and everything like that, personalize it, like play with their little tool, and then you just finalize it, submit the order, pay for it, and then you wait, because it's a personalized one, so you can't get it right away. It's going to take couple of weeks to a couple months. So it's still like you're waiting for it. You can't just go in, like, it's not like you go in the store and just buy it. Even when you personalize it from the store, they have to ship it, and it takes 4 to 6 weeks, I think, to sometimes 8 to 12 weeks. I think mine took 12 weeks in the US. They ship it either to San Francisco or to New York, depending on where you are, or sometimes to Paris. But in Paris, when I personalized, it took like less than 4 weeks, I want to say, even though they said 8 to 12 weeks too. I think it's just faster there because, the artisans there and everything like that. This is exciting. This is crazy because they've never done this before. If you want, we can go through and do one ourselves. I can do that in a separate video where we just go through and like, or I can just show you right now. I'll pull it up right here. But basically, this is how it goes. So you pick the bag, then you can do font size, you can do size, like how big you want it. You can do what part of the bag you want it on. And then you can do colors, front color, back color, and then stripes. And there's 3 like patterns of stripes too. You can do 2 colors, 3 colors with a thin one, with a thicker one, yada, 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 diagonal, straight, blah, blah, blah. And you put it in your cart, order it, and you wait, right? So that's the news. That's exciting. Goyard Guru update for you. I mean, this is crazy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Have you ordered one? Have you tried? Have you been to the store? Do you have your own personalized one? Would you now want a personalized one? Or would you want the original plain one from the store? What do we think? Has anyone tried this? Has anyone done it? Let me know if you've done it and how long you had to wait and how it turned out. Yeah, and this isn't for any limited colors, limited collection. You still have to go to the store and get. You still have to pre-order or to like try to get while they have it, or VIC get it first, yada, yada, yada. But it's kind of cool. What do we think? And it's, like I said, it's only their classic bags. You can't get like super limited, the new bag styles or any of their like unique different ones. It's just the classic ones that you can buy. And the classic wallets. Saint Pierre, Victoire, like Saint Sulpice, like the classic ones, not any of the funky ones. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And I hope this was helpful. If you like this kind of video and this kind of content, please comment, like, subscribe, share, all the things. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Okay, thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.